This is big news. The next story is federal ban possible on flavored vaping products. You've seen in the news that a lot of people have been getting sick by vaping. All right, and there's a lot, there's still a lot that needs to be learned about vaping. I think the vaping atmosphere has taken off as an alternative to smoking. But a lot of young people are getting affected by this. We've had 6 deaths I saw in regards to vaping over the last few months. The Trump administration is preparing a ban on flavored e-cigarettes as federal agencies probe an outbreak, of lung problem that killed at least 6 people and reportedly led to the sickness of hundreds of others. A potential link between THC vaping and lung disease is at the heart of the investigation. No pun on words, but it is between the lungs at the heart of the investigation. All right, let's go take a look at 2 stocks in here, Altria and Philip Morris. Philip Morris is my second stock. All right, let's go take a look at them in the software. Let's go to MO first. MO is Altria Group. The stock is fairly valued. All right, upside potential, a little bit over 1, but it still is over 1. It's favorable. The stock has got a relative safety slightly above 1, so it means it's slightly favorable. But what's hurting it right now, you would think that it would, with all of the vaping incidences that are going on, the stock is falling. The relative timing is at 0.83. The stock is a hold. Look at this. They're growing their earnings in a negative way. So they're not growing their earnings. These vaping stories have definitely hurt the stocks, both of them. Let's go take a look at MO, view the stock graph, put this on the last 3 months. Earnings are rising on Altria, but look at the stock's price. Look at that big down day on 8/27. I don't know what happened there, but look at that big down day. And since then, look at the big, the range on that stock. The open was at 51.17. The close was at 45.25. That is a huge day. Some news had to have come out about it. And look at that, ever since then, it's fallen. Right now, moving a tad bit sideways. I do like the earnings, but overall, the news is driving the stock price down. So that is on Altria. The next one is Philip Morris. Let's look at it. The stock is nicely undervalued as compared to Altria. The stock has got favorable upside potential with RV. The safety is nowhere near as good as it was with Altria. And I think that Altria was in the process. I think this was Trending Thursday story where Altria was thinking about buying back Philip Morris. They spun off Philip Morris, and now I think they were thinking about buying them back. Or one of the two. I think they were going to buy them back. So that was a story that we did talk about either last week or a couple of weeks ago. Both of the stocks are a hold. Let's go look at Philip Morris, look at the graph of it, and look at it. Did I just look at this? No, I didn't, because this one has already got the 3 and the 8 crossing up. So both of these stocks have been affected by the vaping news, but Philip Morris is trying to aggressively come back with the 3-8 crossover. I still wouldn't buy it just quite yet. I need to see more confirmation of the upward move, but look at the earnings are really looking good. They're calling it a merger. They're calling it a merger between Philip Morris and Altria. But like I said, I already reported that on Trending Thursdays either last week or 2 weeks ago. So they still remain in Trending Thursdays, but for a little different topic this time when we come down to vaping. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.